Welcome to MetaCopyTrade.com, free copy trading platform. Investors are the second party of the copy trade system, where an investor will copy every trading activity of the first party or signal provider. Becoming an investor on the MetaCopyTrade platform is very easy. For investor account types you can see on this page. To start becoming an investor, please go to this page, register or login if you already have an account. Second, make a deposit. Click the deposit menu, select the payment method, enter the deposit amount and make the payment until completed. Finally, please select the signal provider that you think is the most profitable, click Follow, select Real Funds, set the ratio or leave it default. Enter the amount of funds you want to trade and click Create. Your investor account is automatically linked to the signal provider you chose. To see a summary of transactions, go to the My Robots menu, select the trader you want to see. On this page you can see all copy trading activities, either transaction history or ongoing transactions or a summary of all transactions. To stop following from the signal provider, click Pause and Stop. To withdraw funds, click on the Withdrawal menu, select a payment method, and enter the withdrawal amount. MetaCopyTrade.com, free copy trading platform. We wish you success with us.